Hey, what's up? It's Allen Robinson, wide receiver for the Rams. I'm so excited to partner with Maaco this year and promote their 50th anniversary. Decent. I think it could be a little bit better, but decent. You know, try to keep it off the blue a little bit. I've never been the greatest in geometry, so it took me some time trying to get those fine lines and around some of those corners and edges. I couldn't imagine having to do car after car after car. It probably would have took me all day or all week to do it. Being persistent is very important. You know, the team at Maaco is here is very persistent, and me as a professional athlete, the same way, being persistent, whether that's week in, week out, you know, coming back off of an injury or things like that. You know, being persistent is the key to excellence and being able to excel. In the NFL, I feel like it's different than college. Like a lot of colleges have super unique like college atmospheres. So I feel like in college it was a little like your away teams and stadiums, it was different. Like let's say if you go to like Jacksonville in the NFL, like they may have like half their fans out there, you know. So it's kind of tough to say. I would probably say Green Bay. Green Bay is always tough, especially playing them in the winter. Yeah, it's brutal. It's brutal. like sanding a lot better, actually. Once I kind of got my groove and got the rhythm and figured out, how to change the direction on it, it felt pretty smooth and pretty easy. I enjoyed it. So next I'm about to start painting. I'm excited to get behind the paint gun. I feel like painting has been the most hyped up part, so I'm looking forward to it. I had a lot of fun painting. I will say it's a close toss-up between the painting and the sanding. Both of them, I had a very fun experience. Trusting the process is big. It's always multiple steps to a process. In this one, painting or doing a car, sanding, painting, the same with, like I said before, in football, trusting the process, whether that's weekly game planning, getting your body back right. Teamwork is important in both Maaco and playing football because you have to lean on the person, who may do the job before you or before it comes your time. You have to trust in that person. In this case, sanding before the painting, or in our case, practice before the game or preparation before the game. So you definitely have to trust the team aspect of it. I would say it's a toss-up between painting and sanding. I did have a lot of fun sanding as well. So they were close. They were close.